So your holding company is somewhere. It's a company in the state like Delaware, Wyoming, New Mexico, states like that, right? So you have your holding company there, and then from your holding company, it's gonna own your 501c, your nonprofit. It's gonna own all your LLCs, right? And once your LLC start making enough money over like 45, $50,000 a year, you want to switch that over to an S Corp, right? So we're gonna switch that over to an S Corp. So that's like some of the basic stuff, right? Helping you get funded for your LLC. So so some of the problem is with that, you don't have it funded properly. You don't have a email, you don't have a business website. You see what I'm saying? So that's some of the things we got. I teach people how to structure their LLCs to get funded. So that's rule one, right? So your business loans and your business credit, your business loans and your business credit, we use when we go to the bank and we open up accounts, we open up 4 accounts at once, right? So when you go into that bank, you open up your business checking, your business saving, your personal checking, and your personal savings.